started playing Angry Birds, yes, I had to do a lot of things just to get it, and this is the classic version of Angry Birds. And yeah, I already started playing. I'll turn on the fan. And nope. Yes, I do play on mobile. Okay, I don't have to worry about that. Nope. Why not done? Right now. Just wow, I am stupid. Ooh. Alright. So our next one. Herons. Oh wow. No more birds left. And I'm going to make another video, but it's not going to be right now or like tomorrow. It's going to be after tomorrow. Bye. As you see, I am trash. Then we still gotta go over this. Never mind. Alright, last 10. Nobody asked about it. What was that? No. What? How? Fall down, fall down, fall down. Yes. Move, bird. Oh, I know what to do. You guys want me to do one since? If you guys want me to do one of Angry Birds since day one, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Oh my god! Oh, we have 6 now. I need more stars than one. And a 9. Wow. Skip. I don't want to watch that. No! Luckily I have one more bird. Got him. If I get... I'm about to go bankrupt with stars. No, I don't want it. Thank you. Somebody that actually can give me more than 1 star. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a present. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a present. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No. Whoa. Thank you. Thank you for a present. Thank you for giving me a present. Thank you. Thank you for a present. Bye. Wait, that's Tyler? Doesn't matter why your sunglasses at night. Oh, that's not sunglasses, they're mine. Should I let go? Nope, I could not let go. I finally have 3 stars. And now I have 3 stars left. It's the last one? Thank you, it's the last one. After this, I want to end it. Alright. Wow. Full damage already. No! There's still 1 more. No! This is last one. What happened? I'm trash. Okay. Gotta work this out. Bling. Wait, I could hit TNT. And there's still... I need to hit TNT. Try to hit that. But I was kind of dumb with it. Now I think of it. What? No. Okay. Thank you. Yes. My play completed. Short push. I'm gonna let you guys see this one if you guys want. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Hope you guys gonna have an amazing day. I don't know what day it is, so after tomorrow, Christmas? In 2 more days? Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, and peace.